Can I declare a variable within a condition statement? You cannot declare a variable inside of the parentheses. If I were to say int I equals 10, this would be invalid. But you can declare a variable within the block. So if you wanted to declare a variable in the block, you're more than welcome to, but you cannot declare a variable within the parentheses of a conditional.
If you do declare a variable within the conditional, it of course will only be available within that conditional.
Yep. So if I were to try to access I right here, you'll notice that there is no I object or I variable because I was defined in a scope that isn't accessible by the parent scope.